Obligatory oil and water checks. Water first, because that's easy. Yep, plenty in there. There it is. As you can't see. Oil. Up to the line. Beautiful. I'll just wipe that down and do it again. And after a wipe, it's still up to the line. Oil check, water check. Let's fire her up and let's go. Good morning and welcome back to Modifix and sunny England. Surrey Rolling Road now. They've changed location a few years back, so they're in this little shopping precinct thing now, and we should be pulling up to them anytime soon. And here we are, guys, we have arrived at Surrey Rolling Road. Okay guys, I think that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly did. I enjoyed the Monaros, and I think the biggest surprise today was the Jag. So the Jag was, I didn't know they made that much power. Apparently it was a press car. Press cars actually do tend to have a little bit more power than a stock car, so that when they are on the program they're on, the presenter shouts about how great they are. Apparently so, that's what I heard today, so you do learn something new every day. Hope you enjoyed the video guys. Subscribe and like, and someone's broke something and broke it down by the looks of it. All the Audi RS boys and Monaro boys are all parked on the side of the road there. Interesting. So let's talk about my car guys. I made 270 something brake horsepower. Am I disappointed? Not really, because the car was running super lean last time I bought it. It made 301 brake horsepower, but that was because it was running lean, and you know, the extra fueling now has made it safer, so it's not a bad thing. Obviously I'm a little bit disappointed that it's down on power, and I think the only solution to that really is going to be bigger turbo. So look out for that guys. I think we need to do it, don't we? So let's do it sometime soon. Hopefully the weather gets better. We'll do the turbo conversion on the MR2. In the meantime, I'll start collecting parts again for this, and let's stick a bigger turbo on it and go the next stage and try and get about 350. So anyway, that concludes the video for today guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.